We, the Lanka youth, have witnessed one of the worst state-sponsored ethnic violence the state has ever seen. We'd like to take this stage to express that after 65 days of state-sponsored chaos, we will no longer be sitting like lame ducks, waiting to be tortured. Especially when the Mayday has shown their barbarism when they murdered our beloved brother, Dabi. Let it be known that many children, women, disabled persons, elderly were also killed in the same inhumane manner. Innocent people which only cowards will harm. Today, we are ready to do whatever it takes to protect our land, our people, and our identity. From these anti-national invaders from Kanglei Park, we no longer recognize the Manipur government and their outlawed militants know they are no longer fighting defenseless families. They are now fighting, facing young volunteers with the right to defend and to survive. As long as we are under attack, as long as the dead does not receive justice, it is our responsibility and our right to defend, to retaliate. We will not tolerate intruders in our land. And we will not sacrifice even an inch of our land. You are no longer involved. This is the hills. This is Lanka! And to the central government, we wish to convey this. If the central government fails to bring about peace and political solution, if the central government cannot even make and Biren Saktu Singh step down, and if the central government will not intervene in the face of relentless Mayday attacks, we are ready to face the Mayday national war! We are ready to shed more blood if it means protecting our land! We are ready to defend our ancestral land till our very last breath! We will die, but we will rise! Farewell, Manipur! Farewell! Farewell!